This listing's monthly average sales is 2,773. Its monthly average revenue is 33,276, and its total sales is 61,147. So why is this listing having so much success and performing so well on Etsy? Let's dive in. Your first step to winning and succeeding on Etsy is by learning how to master and stand out in search results and get those first initial clicks. And you do this with 4 key ingredients. 1 is a high quality design, 2 is proven SEO, 3 is high quality listing photos, and 4 is a competitive price point. So let's look at this specific listing and see what it is that they're doing to have so much success. So if I look in search results here between these 8 different listings, what listing do your eyes go to first? For me personally, and you can let me know in the comments if you don't agree, my eyes first go to this listing. And I believe it's because it's bright in color, the bright color red, it naturally draws my eyes towards it. Versus these other listings, which they're all very nice, and a handful of them are doing well. But just remember how important your main listing photo is to quickly grab buyers' attention in search results. It is zoomed in on the design so the customer can easily see what the design looks like. And the design is on a very trendy mock-up with a model wearing an oversized tee, which is extremely popular right now. Another key thing that they're doing is they're incorporating a product listing video. So as I highlight over this product, you can quickly see the details of the design, the quality of the shirt, as well as another huge thing is they're showcasing this dog here. They show the dog and then they show what it looks like printed on the t-shirt. The customer gets the idea that they can really put whatever it is they want on their shirt, and you can fully customize it with the name, color, etc. It can be catered to several different categories, niches, like the pet theme, girlfriends, boyfriends, grandparents. And why listing videos are so effective, it really shows the product in real time of the exact fit and what it looks like on a model. So look at this quick example of the difference of a listing with a listing video and one without. So this one that we're discussing here, great mock-up photo again, as I mentioned, as I highlighted over, you can see really good details of the shirt, the quality of it, how it falls and sits on the model, and in detail you can really see what the product looks like at a quick glance in search results. Versus this one, which has a single mock-up photo, and it is a nice photo of a model, but at first glance for a customer who's in search results with a flood of different listings, this one here stands out and grabs the attention of the customer much more quickly than a listing like this one. So other key things with this listing to why it's performing well is its title is front-loading keywords, so they're targeting the personalized niche, so they have custom girlfriend shirt. Etsy knows that they're selling a custom product, and the customer will know that it's personalizable and that they'll be able to add their own unique touch to it. They have a very competitive price point, so they're appearing to be very cheap in search results, but in reality, this isn't the case for this specific product, and we'll discuss more of their strategy here in just a minute. They're running a sale, so they're doing a 35% off sale, and based on an analysis that Etsy did, they said that sellers that offered 25% off or higher had a higher volume of sales. If you're going to run a sale, consider offering 25% off or higher. So other reasons for running a sale is Etsy shows the badge here. They show the original price and then the markdown price so the customer can see how much they're saving. And then another thing that's helping this listing perform well is they do have a popular now badge, which shows customers that this item is popular and people are buying it. Now let's dive deeper into this listing. Here are my EverBee stats. You'll see that this listing has over 2 million views. Its conversion rate is 3%, which is very good on Etsy, and it has over 33,000 favorites. If you want to try out EverBee for free, I have a link down in the description and it can help you with your trend research. So for their main listing photo here, you'll see that they have these 2 badges, which is very beneficial for the customer. So the first one is proof in 24 hours. And they know these sellers are on top of it. They're getting their proofs out quickly, which would probably mean that they're getting their orders out quickly so they can get their item as quick as possible. And then they also highlight that they have bulk pricing available. So if someone's wanting to do shirts for a bachelorette party or a birthday party or whatever it is, the customer immediately knows that they do have a bulk pricing option. Another extremely effective details, they showcase what the photo looks like before they remove the background. You can see the picture of this girl here and then what it looks like on the shirt. Again, another example. And then the listing video here, really cute video of the dog and then what it looks like on the shirt, as well as a great job of highlighting the product, the detail of the print, etc. So your whole idea with your listing photos is giving your customer everything that they need to know about the product and what it looks like and how it fits, because they're not able to physically try it on. And the best way to do that is by including really high quality listing photos as well as listing videos. So if you're not including listing videos in your store right now, I highly recommend it. They're giving their customer full customization, 12 different color options that they can choose from. The customer immediately knows that they can add their own custom text. In their next listing photo, they're showing that they offer several different products for this specific listing. So you can get it printed on your comfort color shirt or just a classic t-shirt as well as a sweatshirt. And this just increases the probability of your customer converting because they have so many different options for their customer. They include an FAQ card in their photos with some of their most important questions. So can I add more than one face? Can I use photos of different people or pets instead of one person? How can I place a bulk order? The seller is doing such a great job of telling the customer everything that they need to know within their first 4 listing photos. Another great product photo with a model mock-up showing the fit of it, again highlighting that oversized tee, which is very trendy right now. Another great example of a model mock-up, and they're showing the original picture and then what it looks like printed on the t-shirt. So they have the big badge, custom your name, big badge for your picture here. So it's very clear what you're able to do. And then they also include a size chart for their products. So this is for the classic black t-shirt, so the customer knows the exact fit of the shirt so they can order the right size. This is also interesting. They have this affordable option for those who want to save big. So they're catering to both people who are trying to save some money, as well as they have more expensive products like the comfort color shirt. They also include the shirt materials, so what it's made out of. And then here's another size chart for their comfort color shirt. Again, the materials. In their photo cards, they have their washing instructions, so the customer knows how to take care of their shirt. And then their last photos are more model mock-ups of the shirt, showcasing the product on a model. Something important with this photo card here is they have this big badge that says fast delivery, so the customer knows that they can get their product quick. Again, custom name. And their last photo, very similar to their first main photo. So they've done an excellent job of utilizing their listing photos, showcasing their product in the best way possible, as well as sharing all of the information a customer would need to know before purchasing. And let's talk about the design here. So they're using a very trending, popular design template, kind of this retro 90s themed bootleg shirt, but they're allowing the customer to fully personalize it, which is extremely popular on Etsy. And they've done a great job of mastering that first key ingredient to winning on Etsy, which is having a high quality design that stands out. Okay, next let's talk about the second key ingredient to having success and winning on Etsy, and that's SEO. So if we look at their title, they're targeting several different categories and niches. They're not just specific to one niche, and you hear a lot of people saying niche down, niche down, niche down. I understand that to a point, but with this example, you can see it's very obvious that if you branch out and target several different niches, several different categories, such as the pet theme, girlfriends, boyfriends, grandparents, parents, birthdays, bachelorette parties, you can do very well, and it's a huge way to maximize sales. So if we look at their keywords in their title, they're again front loading their main keywords. So custom, that's super important to have at the very beginning. And they have girlfriend shirt, boyfriend comfort color shirt, face shirt, bachelorette surprise. So they're targeting the wedding niche, personalized birthday bootleg gift. So they're targeting the birthday niche, and then group theme shirts. So they're targeting several different keywords in really big niches, and I believe that's why it's doing so well. They also have this Etsy badge of in demand. 145 people bought this in the last 24 hours. So it's still selling extremely well, even though it's 25 months old. So it has social proof. People are loving it, making more people want to jump on it. So again, want to mention the importance of running a sale. The customer sees that they're saving money, and not only that they're saving money, Etsy will show the customer when the sale ends. So sale ends on March 1st. This creates urgency so that the buyer will act quickly, knowing that the sale may end. Moving on to their different variants. So we can see that they're offering several different products. So they have a classic shirt, which I imagine would be a Gildan shirt or a Bella Canvas shirt. They're offering comfort color t-shirts, sweatshirts, baby suits, as well as toddler shirts and youth shirts. So they're casting their net as wide as they can, offering all sorts of different products so that the customer can get exactly what it is that they want. And we'll notice here, as I mentioned in search results, it appeared that this t-shirt was only $7.80. But as I click down into their variants here, we will notice that that price point of $7.80 is actually for a newborn baby suit. So in reality, the actual cost of the t-shirt that they're showing is between $20 and $35 depending on what it is that they're getting. So they're implementing the bait and switch tactic, which gets the customer to click in search results so that they can really see the product and see what they're offering. But in reality, the actual price of this shirt, let's say for an extra large oversized comfort color shirt, is $35.10. So let me know in the comment section if you're a fan of the bait and switch tactic, or if you're completely against it. For me personally, I don't do it in my own stores, but it seems to be working well for this listing, as well as a lot of top sellers on Etsy implement this strategy. If you missed this video right here, I studied 100 shops with over 100,000 plus sales, and this was a common strategy amongst all of them. So after you finish this video, make sure you go and check out that one. So moving on to the rest of their variants, they have those 12 different color options to choose from for the background of their photos, and then they have personalization. And this is one of the main driving factors to why this listing is doing so well on Etsy, is that a customer can fully customize it and make it 100% their own. And the seller has done a great job of holding the customer's hand and walking them through step by step on exactly how to add their personalization. So they have this built out landing page here where a customer can go and upload their photos. So they're able to upload each of their photo that they want, and not only just upload their photos, they're also giving the customer the option to choose where the photo is placed on the shirt. So you can see the corresponding number here, so image 1, and where that places on the shirt, image 2, image 3, image 4. And then over here, they have this video here, again, holding the customer's hand and walking them through, showing them step by step on what they need to do to get their order placed and done the right way. So far, I've been extremely impressed on how this seller has built out their listing, and it makes complete sense to why it is performing so well. So now we'll jump down to the description and see what it is that they're doing in their description. So at the very top, they have please read before ordering. They have their order deadline dates before specific holidays like Valentine's Day, so the customer knows when they need to place their order in order to receive it on time. They also give the customer the option to skip the proof so that they can get their order sooner, which is kind of interesting. And they have more information on going about getting your order placed, estimated delivery disclaimer, proof processing schedule, and it's in very great detail of exact times, etc., so that the customer can know exactly the turnaround time from when they place their order, when they get their proof, and then when their product will arrive. They have communication policy, then they have changes after approval, revision policy, so I think this is very important. They say you're entitled to 2 free revision requests, which I think is very beneficial for the customer and would really help push them to place their order, knowing that they have the option to make a revision. And then continuing down, they have how to upload a photo, walking you through step by step on exactly how to do that, as well as how to order. So they break down each and every step. So first drop down, style and size, you choose your product. They also say need a different shirt color, contact us. Then they walk you through the second drop down, so your text and background color. They walk you through the personalization box. And then they also have information on rush orders and shipping speeds. And then the last few items in their description is how you can avoid delays, and then their return and cancellation policy. They do allow cancellations if it's within the 2 hours of purchasing. And that's just another way to get the customer to click, knowing that if they change their mind, they have a small window to cancel their order. So this description is excellent. They have all of the necessary information a customer would need to know before placing their order. The only change I'd make to this description, and this is just me being nitpicky, is it's a lot of words and it's not very well organized. So I would add lines between each section or emojis or whatever it is to break it up so that it's very readable for the customer. But this listing is 100% bulletproof, and they're not leaving any air or room for a customer to have any type of question, which is why I believe it converts so well. This listing is charging $4.95 for shipping, but they do have the guarantee turned on where you can enjoy free shipping to the US when you spend $35 or more in their shop. And this is a very popular strategy amongst the top sellers on Etsy. So in the past, Etsy did prioritize listings that offered free shipping, but that's no longer the case. They're now created equal if you're charging for shipping or offering free shipping, as long as you're keeping your shipping cost under $6, which this listing is doing. But experiment in your store and see what works best for you. We've done both strategies in the past and have had success with it. But if you're going to charge for shipping, I would recommend keeping it under $6. If you're finding value in this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on future content. Let's continue on. Other reasons why this listing is doing well and this shop is having so much success is they are a star seller. Do I think it's a deal breaker if you're not a star seller? No, not necessarily, but it does build a ton of trust with your customer. The shop has had smooth shipping, so shipping on time with tracking. They have speedy replies, so the seller usually responds within a few hours, which is huge for customers. And then they have a high review rating, which helps with customers when deciding if they should order or not from their store. They have over 10,000 reviews, and the majority of them are very positive reviews. So 4.8 for item quality, 4.9 for shipping. They're getting their orders out quick. Customer service is 4.9, and customer service is very important on Etsy. Make sure you're responding to your customers quickly quickly and answering any questions that they have. And then buyers recommend is 97%. On top of having a lot of positive reviews, they have a ton of reviews with pictures. And reviews with pictures from customers is so valuable for your shop and helps increase the conversion rate and performance of your listings. If you're just getting started out in listing on Etsy and you have a design that you think could do possibly very well, I highly recommend sharing it with your friends and family because you'll be surprised how much they want to support your shop, and you can ask them to leave a review with a picture, which will help catapult your listing as well as your store. All right, so let's talk about their products. So as mentioned before, they're offering a lot of different products from t-shirts to sweatshirts to baby suits, etc. All of the products that this seller is offering are available on Printify. So we have that Comfort Colors shirt that they're offering, the Gildan 5000, Gildan 64000 is another very popular one, as well as the Bella Canvas 3001. Printify also offers a lot of different sweatshirt options. So they have crew neck sweatshirts. One of the most popular one is the Gildan 18000. And another popular sweatshirt that we like to sell is the Gildan 18500 hoodie. But using a print service like Printify gives you so many different options on what it is you can sell in your store. And if you want to try out Printify for free, I have a link down in the description. Now I want to look at pricing and see how much it is they're making per item for one of their most popular products. So we will do their Comfort Colors extra large. They're charging $35.10, and I'll be using my EverBee profit calculator to get these numbers. So we'll plug in listed price, $35.10. Shipping price is $4.95, no discounts. And for cost of item, we will jump back over to Printify, and we have the Comfort Colors 1717 t-shirt. And for one of my most favorite print providers, Monster Digital, this is who we use in our shops. We'll go to provider info. Let's do graphite t-shirt. For a size extra large, if you have Printify Premium, it will cost $11.05. And then for standard shipping, 2 to 5 business days, it costs $4.75 to ship. Okay, for advertising, we'll do none for this example. Then payment method, we'll do Etsy payments, calculate. So this is crazy. Their total revenue is $40.05. Total fees is $20.05. Their net profit for this Comfort Colors t-shirt is $20, and their net profit margin is 49.94%, which is extremely high on Etsy. And another crazy estimated number for their total revenue for this listing for all time is just over $733,000 for a custom t-shirt that they're selling on Etsy. Here are my major takeaways to why I think this listing is performing so well. I'm not going to go through each and every one, but you can screenshot it to reference later. If I missed any, let me know in the comment section down below. Because you watched this video, I think you'll like this one right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.